Hey everyone, welcome back to another Fusion tutorial. Today we're going to do something a little fun. I actually haven't 3D printed this yet, so I do not know if it's going to work. So we'll find out together. At the end of the video, I will 3D print what we're making and I'll let you know how it goes. So let's create a sketch, and we are just going to put that sketch right on that front plane. And then I'm going to create some text. Now I have text saved under my sketch shortcut. So I hit S for snake on the keyboard and I can click right here. If you do not have that set up, go to create and text. Now I'm going to move my mouse until it kind of snaps to the origin there. I'm going to click, let go, and then just move your mouse really just anywhere. It doesn't matter. And I'm just going to type in no. Now, you really do want a thick, like bold text for this. You don't want to do something, well, I guess I don't know. You don't want to do something like this, of course. You want it to be really thick, bold lettering, and I think that's probably, that's not too bad. Doesn't matter. Let's just keep it with this. And maybe let's maybe make this a little bigger. Let's go maybe like 15. Okay. So we're going to finish sketch. That's all we're going to do. Actually, you know what? Let me backtrack. Actually, I'll show you on the next one. So you notice how my no is down here in the bottom left corner. Yours won't be like that if you didn't have done this before. So just bear with me here for a second. So let's hit finish sketch. So let's do another sketch. And this time we're going to go on this plane. So the one adjacent to it. So we've got the front, and now we will have this one. Same thing, I'm going to get into my text dialog. I will hover over the origin, click, and drag out. And I'm going to type in yes. Now this is what you want to make sure. You want to make sure you are aligned left. You don't want to make sure you're in the middle or right. And then I think when you get into text, you'll be on the top. You want to make sure you're on the bottom. We want everything to kind of start from this bottom left corner. And let's hit OK. Finish sketch. So now you should have something like this. Okay, so let's extrude this out. So I'm going to take this text, I'm going to hit E for extrude, and I'm just going to extrude it past the no. It just has to go past the no right here. And I think that does. It does. So hit OK. And then what we're going to do is move these bodies so they're touching each other, because we want to combine them into one. So let's hit M for move. Click on this E, and you can just put it to translate here. You might be on free move. Just switch to translate, and we're going to just scooch over. So we did -1 there. Let's just do -2 and hit OK. We want to move each one the same distance. So let's hit move again with the S. Well, -2. See, -2 doesn't quite work. Maybe it doesn't matter if it's the same distance. We just want to make sure these are all touching so we can combine them and hit OK. That doesn't look too bad. Okay, so from here we want to combine these letters into one body, which is why I moved them so they were all touching. So let's go up to the combine tool. We will have the target body right here just be the Y, and then the tool bodies, which is what we're going to combine to the Y, will be the E and the S. And we do not need to keep the tools, so uncheck that and make sure operation is set to join and hit OK. Now once you do that, you should just be left with one body, which is the yes. So let's hide the yes, and now let's not hide the yes yet. Now let's extrude the no. So hit E on the keyboard after you select your text, and just move this back so it's past the other. Let's just go -36 for good measure. And there we go. And we do not want cut. We want new body, and hit OK. And we can hide that yes now. And same as before, let's combine these two bodies here. So hit M for move, click on this O, and we'll just drag this over. Looks like -3 is probably fine. Hit OK. Combine tool, and combine these just like last time. So now we should have an O and a YES. Okay. So how do we cut these out from each other? Well, that's pretty easy. We are just going to do the combine tool again, except this time we are going to do intersect. And what intersect does, so obviously combine or join joins the bodies together. Cut will cut one body from another body. And intersect will basically just keep the parts that are intersecting each other. So every part of these two bodies that are touching each other, it'll keep, and everything that's not touching, it'll get rid of. So we'll just do the target body as the no. Let's make sure intersect is on. And then the tool body will be the yes. We do not need to keep the tools, and we can hit OK. And so now you can see from this side it says yes. And from this side it says no, which I think is pretty cool.